Hello dear student. Today start from the chapter number 8. Your chapter number 8 name is Who is Heavier. Now listen here is a very wonderful story of the it will be jaggery and groundnut and who is heavier. The word of heavier and lighter everyone student you know about. Okay. Now let's start from this. This is the jaggery and the groundnut. It will be everyone student know about the jaggery. This is a gur. Okay. Now the Shabnam love to eat the jaggery. It means that this is our good and groundnuts. In your Hindi words is the mungfali. Okay, this is the groundnuts. Now the one day she bought 1 kg of jaggery and 1 kg of groundnuts, and you know that the kilogram is also written as kg. Now listen here student. Here will be one day, here will be Shabnam is allowed to eat the jaggery and the groundnut. In one day she bought, it means here will be Shabnam to bought the 1 kg of jaggery and the 1 kg of a groundnut. And everyone student you know about the word of kg. It means what? This is our kilogram. Here will be kilogram. We have to write down the directly shortcut. Here will be kg. Okay, it means that here will be 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Okay, again I repeated, here will be kilogram is just like written as kg. Okay, this is our kg, and 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Here will be gram can be denoted by the small letter. This is our g. Okay, understood. Now let's start from this next one. Oh, the groundnut is looks so much more than the jaggery. Now see, this was Shabnam is our go to purchase 1 kg of jaggery and groundnut, and now picture is that very carefully for your better understanding. This is our picture is very so carefully and very beautiful, and this is our Shabnam is a purchasing jaggery and groundnuts. Okay, from the one hand is a groundnut, and from the other hand is a gur. Is a okay. Now see the picture carefully. This is our groundnut has a very large bag and very gur has a very small bag. What is the difference in between them? It means that heavier and lighter. Okay, now all the students listen carefully. This is a groundnut has a very large bag and the gur has a very small bag. That is why this is oh, the groundnut looks so much more than the jaggery. Okay, it means that here will be Shabnam. The ground looks so much more than the jaggery. Now, next one. Are the groundnut is a really more than the jaggery gur in weight, or do they just look more? Now see the example carefully. This is all, are the groundnut is are more than jaggery gur in weight? No. Why? Because Shabnam is a purchasing the 1 kg of groundnuts and the 1 kg of gur. Both the weight is the same. This is our 1 kg. But the difference is what? This is a groundnut has a more amount because the groundnut is a very low weight and the gur has a very heavier weight. Okay, it means that here will be your, that is why your answer is for the groundnut are not really more than the jaggery in the weight, but they just look more, but they just look more. Okay, next one. Now guesses for which of this you need a bigger bag. Okay, this is a very so simple example and the very most important example. Okay, now guesses for which of these you need a bigger bag. Okay, now see the example carefully. This is a 1 kg of popcorn or 1 kg of sugar, and everyone student you know about the 1 kg of popcorn and 1 kg of sugar. Okay, now your question is what for the two example. Now guess which of these you need a bigger bag. 1 kg of popcorn is a very lighter weight as compared to sugar. Definitely for the 1 kg of popcorn we need a bigger bag. This is a very so simple example. Okay, now the next one example is a 1 kg of peas or a 1 kg of potatoes. Now listen here, in a 1 kg of potato, it means how many pieces will become here? Only 7 to 8 pieces. You go to market to purchase a potato, 1 kg of potato, this is only 7 to 8 pieces will become here. But in a 1 kg of peas is a very lighter weight as compared to potato, but your weight is same. Okay, this is a weight, both the has a weight is same. This is a 1 kg, but the difference is what? This is our heavier and lighter. Okay, it means that here for the 1 kg of peas we need a bigger bag. This is for the two example. Example number 1 and 2 is are related to for what? For which of these you need a bigger bag. It means that your totally concept is are based on we have to find out the heavier, who is a heavier. This is our chapter name is a who is a heavier. Okay, and go to market and check if your guesses is right or wrong. Okay, it just we have to check it. We have go to market and check your answer is correct or not. It means that you have to check your answer correct is not. It means that you have to find the 1 kg of popcorn, we have to purchase it, and the 1 kg of sugar. Now we have to check it your answer is correct or not. It means that here will be a 1 kg of popcorn, we have to we need a bigger bag definitely as compared to sugar. Okay, second one example is a 1 kg of peas or a 1 kg of potatoes. Okay, and the 1 kg of peas we need a bigger bag. This is our all our example is are based on we have to find out the heavier and this example is based on the who is heavier, and this above concept here will be kg words, and kg concept is very important because I already discussed. Here will be kg is this is our kilogram, just like the kilogram is denoted by the kg. I already discussed. This is our 1 kg is 1000 gram. Similarly, from what 2 kg is equals to 2000 gram. Here will be 3 kg is equals to 3000 gram. Next one example is for an example 9 kg. Here will be 9 kg is equals to 9000 gram. This is our all our example is are based on this is the concept of the kg and the gram. Okay, and this is a very wonderful story of their jaggery and groundnut, and we have to find out the who is heavier. Okay, and I hope everyone student understood the concept of the heavier and lighter. Okay, and next topic will start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.